Hello guys, good mornings. I'm teacher Fulton. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a personal introduction. Remember that through a personal introduction, other people know information about you. So let's begin. For making this is necessary to know at least this is four simple steps. The first is what's your name? We must know how to answer that question. And to respond to this question, we have two ways. The first is my name is, or the second is I am. I can say my name is Carlos, or I'm Carlos. This is the first step. The second step is to answer the question, where are you from? And for answer this, we must take into account three general things. The first is your country, second, your city, and finally, your neighborhood. So in this order, we say I am from Colombia, Peru, Mexico, Venezuela, Argentina. The name of your country. The second is you're gonna answer about the city you are living. For example, I live in Medellin, I live in Cartagena, I live in Cali, I live in Miami, I live in Buenos Aires, whatever. The important, here it goes the name of your series. And finally, we have the neighborhood. The neighborhood, here we are speaking in a specific context. The neighborhood is the place where you are living in your city. The name of the sector, that small part of the city that you are living, is your neighborhood. Can be we are gonna make it in a local. We're gonna contextualize in the city that I live in. Here I live in Medellin, and my neighborhood is Enciso. And so remember the name of that part of the city you are living. So we follow in this order. How old are you? The third step is to talk about your age. Remember that the age every time you're gonna use it with to be there. For that reason, I say I am 21 years old or I'm 21 years old. Okay, go ahead. And the fourth step is to tell about your hobbies. This is uh this is a topic where you can speak a lot of because you can tell about things you like or the things what you do in your free time. For example, I like listen to music, reading books, or playing soccer, watch video game. In my free time, I like go for a walk with my family. I like to go fishing to determine those activities that you do when you are free. So then, in this order, we're gonna to confirm your personal introduction. Hello, my name is Carlos. I am from Colombia, but I live in Medellin. My neighborhood is in Cecil. I'm 21 years old. I like listen to music. I like reading. In my free time, I like going for a walk with my family. So, so this is so easy. Then I hope this has been useful for helping to create your personal introduction. Remember, I'm teacher full time. Bye bye.